Good morning, dear students. Today we will study On Wings of Courage, third lesson from first unit. On Wings of Courage, the lesson is about the journey of the Marshal of the Indian Air Force, Arjun Singh, and discusses his brilliant heroic display in the Indo-Pak War. Arjun Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who went on to receive many awards. So, the lesson revolves around the achievements and deeds of Marshal of the Indian Air Force, who was born on April 15, 1919. So, let's read the lesson. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, Marshal, most senior rank of Air Force. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history. Icon means symbolic figure, or we can say idol, of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led, that means directed, a young IAF, that is Indian Air Force, during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. So the whole lesson gives only information about Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, information about his achievements and how many awards he received in his life. The only officer to attain the highest post of marshal, the Air Force equivalent means equal in value. The Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown means past participle of fly, who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. He played a major role in transforming the IAF, that is Indian Air Force, into one of the most potent, that means very powerful and effective, most potent air forces globally. Globally means involving the entire world. Students, please keep pencils in your hand so that whenever I will tell you difficult meanings of the difficult words, you can immediately write down the meanings. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces globally, that is, involving the entire world, and the fourth biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental, that is, enormous, important, of great importance, monumental to the least. The Indian Air Force grew with him. He was the epitome. Epitome means perfect example, symbol, epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak, one of the retired officers of Indian Air Force, said. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Sam Hormuzji, Fremji, Jamshedji Manekshaw, and Ken Kariappa were only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Known as a man of few words, this is the, we can say, one of the virtues or qualities of Air Force Marshal, that he was known for the man of few words. Singh was not only a fearless but also had profound knowledge. Again, we can see the qualities of Marshal: man of few words, then fearless, profound knowledge about air power, profound means deep, and applied in a wide spectrum of areas. Wide spectrum, that means wide variety of ways. Singh has assiduously means working hard and showing careful attention to details. Great. Led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war. Again, Kak said. So, commending his role in the war. Commending means officially praising. Commending his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, the then defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh, a jewel of a person. Jewel means valuable. Jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable but a very able leader. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron, an operational unit in an air force consisting of two or more flights of aircraft and a personnel required to fly them. It is called as squadron. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon, formerly called as Rangoon, that is Burma. Arakan campaign, that is first tentative Allied attack on Burma. And what is Imphal campaign? In short, I will give you the information about Imphal campaign. The battle took place Imphal campaign. It was the battle which took place in the city of Imphal, the capital state of Manipur. Japanese forces tried to destroy the allied forces of Imphal, but they were driven back into Burma with heavy losses. So this was all the information about Imphal campaign. In recognition of his feat, now here feat means achievement, extraordinary achievement. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, that is DFC, on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia, the first Indian pilot to have received it. Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force RAF Cranwell in 1938 when he was 19 years old. He retired from service in 1969. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lyalpur. Now it is in Pakistan, known as Faisalabad, and completed his education at Montgomery, New Sahiwal. Now again it is in Sahiwal, Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplane. Means what? It is an old type of aircraft having two pairs of wings, one above the other. Where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces, he later moved back to number 1 squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. Hawker Hurricane means what? It is British single seat fighter aircraft. Okay? Hawker Hurricane, British single seat fighter aircraft. He was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in 1944. So, for his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, combat means fighting between armed forces. He was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, that is DFC, in 1944. On August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading a fly past of over a hundred IAF aircraft into the Red Fort in Delhi. After his promotion to the rank of wing commander, see how many promotions he got up till now. After his promotion to the rank of wing commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. Immediately after Indian independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of group captain. In 1949, he was promoted to the rank of Air Commodore and took over as Air Officer Commanding, that is AOC, of an operational command, which later came to be known as Western Air Command. Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure period, okay, past 5 years or 6 years as AOC of an operational base, initially from 1949 to 52 and then again from 1957 to 61. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as the AOC in C of an operational command, that is, Air Officer Commanding in Chief. So, towards the end of the 1962 war, he was appointed as the Deputy Chief of the Air Staff and he became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. He was the overall commander of the Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between IAF, RAF and RAAF, that is Royal Australian Air Force. So here students, I will ask you one question, that why is Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh considered an outstanding military personality? Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh had successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Besides, he had the distinction of having flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. As he is a source of inspiration to all personnel of armed forces through the years of his remarkable contribution to the IAF, he is considered an outstanding military figure. Because he is the only officer to attain the highest post of marshal. On August 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal took over. On August 1, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force, Arjun Singh, took over reins, that means took over control, took over reins of IAF at a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency. Flying currency means his experience, all the skills, till his CAS rank. Having flown over 60 different types of aircraft, having flown his 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II era biplanes to the more contemporary GNATs and Vampires, he had also flown in transport aircraft like Super Constellation. It was key operation of the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its operation Grand Slam, again it was the key operation of the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War. And Super Constellation means it is American aircraft. With an armored thrust targeted at the vital town of Akhnur, Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination, and professional skill. He inspired IAF to victory despite the constraints, that means restrictions, imposed on the full-scale use of Air Force combat power. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute, that means sharp and intelligent, leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of the Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS was Chief of the Air Staff. Rank of the CAS, Chief of the Air Staff, was upgraded and Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting forward bases and units and flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting an ambassadorship. Ambassadorship means what? A diplomatic agent of the highest rank appointed for a special assignment. To Switzerland, he was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in Jan 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with the Indian Air Force. So see students, how great personality was of Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh. Students, here we have completed the lesson. Please do like the video. In short, again, I will give you the central idea of the lesson. I will tell you the summary of the lesson. The narrative outlines the journey of the Marshal of the Indian Air Force, Arjun Singh, and discusses his brilliant and heroic display in the Indo-Pak War. Arjun Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who went on to receive many awards, such as Distinguished Flying Cross, Padma Vibhushan, etc. His state leadership skills during the war is a source of inspiration to the personnel of armed forces. So the lesson revolves around the achievements and deeds of Marshal of the Indian Air Force Arjun Singh. He will be always remembered for being an inspiration to the personnel of armed forces for his exceptional contribution towards giving the IAF its present shape with the determination, grit, leadership skills, and fearlessness. So, students, here I have tried my best to explain you this lesson through the form of the video. Please read the lesson, keep pencil in your hand while you have to note down the meanings. So read the lesson twice, watch the video twice, and we will meet in our next lecture. So bye all of you. Take care, stay home, stay healthy.